What if I told you there are words, simple, powerful phrases that when spoken with the right presence can be past logic, stir deep emotion, and make a woman feel utterly drawn to you? Sounds like magic, right? Nope, it's... And today, we're revealing the exact Stoic-based psychological phrase that no woman can resist if you understand how and when to say them. But be warned, misuse them and you might trigger the opposite reaction. Use them wisely and you'll awaken something prima. Please like video and subscribe me channel. Let's begin. 1. I don't need you, but I choose you. This one, it lands differently. You're not pleading for her attention. You're not chasing validation. You're standing in your power, radiating the calm, grounded energy of a stoic man who knows his worth. Because, let's be honest, neediness repels. It screams insecurity, but freedom, that's magnetic. When a woman feels that you want her but don't need her, she relaxes. She feels safe and intrigued. It's that rare balance of detachment and desire that create emotional gravity. This taps into intermittent reward, a psychological loop that keeps the mind hooked on what's uncertain but meaningful. It's not about being cold, it's about buying. And when she realizes she's chosen, not chased, the dynamic shifts. You become the prize. Ask yourself, when was the last time you heard someone say this to you? Exactly. Now imagine the impact when you say it with full presence. But choosing her is only that. Because after attraction comes value. And if you want her to stay, she needs to feel something deeper. Emotional safety. 2. You're safe with me even when you're not perfect. This phrase, it's not romantic. It's emotional armor. When you say you're safe with me, even when you're not perfect, you're telling here you don't have to perform here. You didn't have to hide. In a world that constantly pressures women to look a certain way, act a certain way, and always be on. This sentence is a revolution. It's the moment her shoulders drop. It's the moment she exhales, because you're giving her something rare. Psychological safety. A stoic man doesn't react emotionally. He stays grounded, he observes, he understands. And when a woman feels seen and accepted, not despite her flaws, but with them, she bends deeper than ever. Women crave emotional safety even more than physical attraction. Why? Because the female brain is wired to detect threats, emotional or otherwise. When she senses she can be real without rejection, she sees you as trustworthy, and trust builds obsession. Quick reality check. Are you even safe with yourself when you're not perfect? Think about that, because how you treat your own flaws is how you'll treat hers. But here's the emotional safety creates space. Now she starts showing sides of herself. She hides from the world. And when she does, you better be ready to notice them, because the next phrase is all about seeing what no one else does. And it's Agameka 3. I notice the things you think no one sees. These words carry weight far beyond compliments. When you say I notice the things you think no one sees, you're not just flattering her. You're seeing her deeply, quietly, authentically. In a world obsessed with loud validation, likes, hearts, and filtered perfection, this phrase whispers, I see the real you, and I'm paying attention. That moment she brushes her hair behind her ear when she's nervous. You notice the way she smiles slightly before she cries. You felt that small act of kindness she thought went unseen. You caught it. This taps into a primal need to be known. Not just admired, not desired, known. It tells her you're not invisible here. You matter beyond the surface. Most peerfully observe, but very few truly witness. And when she realizes you do, you instantly become different from every other man she's ever known. Let's be honest, when's the last time you felt truly seen by someone? Now, imagine giving that gift to her. It's rare, and that's why it works. But here's the twist. When she feels seen, she tests if it's real. She might challenge you, push back, because now she's vulnerable and she wants to know, will you stay steady or will you fold? That's when you hit her with the boldest truth yet. And trust 'em, it's the phrase that changes everything. For, you can leave any time. I'll still be whole. This phrase, it's not a threat. It's not indifference. It's power. Stoic, grounded, and when you say, you can leave any, I'll still be whole. You are drawing a line in the sand. Not against her, but for yourself. You're letting her know my identity doesn't depend on your presence. Most people operate from fear of loss, fear of abandonment. But the Stoic man, he knows that peace doesn't come from control. It comes from from knowing that even if Ayesh walks away, you won't break. Harassed, wild truth. Freedom creates desire. When a woman knows she can leave and you won't chase, she chooses to stay. And that choice, it's worth more than any forced loyalty. She doesn't want a man who begs. She wants a man who can let go and still stand tall. Now ask yourself, how many people in your life would fall apart if someone left them? Exactly. Now picture being the rare man who doesn't. But let's be real. Just because you can let go doesn't mean you don't care. In fact, the next phrase is how you show deep care without giving up your power. It's the invitation not to fantasy. Buto, partnership with purpose. And it's what she's secretly hoping to hear. 5. I want to build something with you. Not just feel something. Here's where most men lose her. They offer butterflies, but no blueprint. Feelings, they come and go. But buildings, that's rare. That's what lasts. When you say, I want to build something with you, not just feel something, you're speaking to a part offer most men ignore. Her craving for legacy, not just love. This is where Stoicism meets emotional intelligence. You're not chasing moments. You're offering direction, vision, a sense of shared purpose. The female brain is wired to seek security. That doesn't mean she wants to be saved. It means she wants to grow with someone. So when you speak of building, whether it's a business, a lifestyle, a mindset, or a family, chassis, the long game, she sees you as Ammon with a future she wants to be. Let's be honest, anyone can make her feel something. But can you make her feel something worth building on? Mosman, go for sparks. You're lighting a fire that lasts through storms. And once she sees your vision, once she feels safe, chosen, and seen, she'll start testing you on one final silent question. Can he handle the real me? That's where the last phrase seals deed. It's bold, it's tender, and it's the one line that says, I love you, not for who you could be, but for who you already are. So now you know these 5 phrases aren't tricks. They're reflections of a man who's done few work. A man who leads with intention, not impulse. But here's the ultimate Stoic truth. You don't say these things to get a woman to fall for you. You say them because they're who you are. If this video made you pause, if it made you feel like you've been approaching connect all wrong, then this is your. Subscribe for more deep dives into Stoicism, psychology, and unlocking your inner strength. Drop a comment. Which phrase resonated with you the most? Or which one are you bold in auto use this week? And remember, the most irresistible words are the ones backed by truth. Stay calm, stay grounded,